Have you ever wanted to create a beautiful online store but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you're already using Shopify but want to take your store to the next level. If so, then Sprocket is the perfect tool for you. In this video, we'll show you how Sprocket works with Shopify to help you create a stunning online store that will drive sales and grow your business. What is Sprocket? Sprocket is a visual website builder that makes it easy to create beautiful, professional websites without any coding experience. It's perfect for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. How does Sprocket work with Shopify? Sprocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, giving you access to all of the powerful features of both platforms. This means that you can use Sprocket to create your store's design and layout, and then use Shopify to manage your products, customers, and orders. Benefits of using Sprocket with Shopify. There are many benefits to using Sprocket with Shopify, including easy to use. Sprocket's drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create a beautiful website in no time. Professional templates. Sprocket offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates to choose from. Customizable. You can customize every aspect of your store's design, from the colors and fonts to the layout and content. Powerful features. Sprocket offers a wide range of powerful features, including e-commerce, blogging, and marketing tools. Seamless integration. Sprocket integrates seamlessly with Shopify, giving you access to all of the powerful features of both platforms. How to get started with Sprocket and Shopify. If you're interested in using Sprocket with Shopify, here are a few steps you can follow. Sign up for a Sprocket account. Connect your Sprocket account to your Shopify store. Start creating your store. Sprocket is a powerful tool that can help you create a beautiful online store that will drive sales and grow your business. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, customizable, and powerful website builder, then Sprocket is the perfect choice. With said, thanks for watching.